Yo guys, what is up? This is Cheese and welcome to my brand new video here on the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to see your subscribers, all the persons, all the accounts that subscribe to your YouTube channel. I thought it was pretty hard to find. So eventually when I found it, I was like, why not make a video about it? Because I know a lot of people are actually dealing with the same problem, because otherwise I wouldn't be dealing with that problem as well. So first off, at the beginning, I thought it would probably be somewhere around my channel page, right? I was just like refreshing, scrolling up, scrolling down. I clicked on about, on channels, community. There was nothing. There was just literally nothing to click on. I was just looking for a button or something which says subscribers, but I didn't find it first of all. Then I was looking around at about, on channel and community. But I didn't find it there, so I went to my Creator Studio, and this is where you're gonna find your subscriber accounts. So you go to Creator Studio, so you click on that, and this is not the only thing. You're not only able to see your subscribers, but you can actually filter them as well. So the next step is you click on Community, on the Community tab, all the way on the left in the Creator Studio, and that is where you're gonna find like a text saying subscribers just below comments. For example, these are my comments right here, and then you see subscribers just below that, and you can actually filter all these subscribers. So these are the people that recently subscribed to my channel. You see there are people subscribing to my channel literally every day. I got 5,168 subscribers right now. If you want me to make a video about how to get more subscribers on YouTube, or how to get views and how to do all these things, let me know in the comments down below. Right here, these are my subscribers. Big shout out to you guys. Without you guys, I would have been uploading these videos, of course. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. Of course, the people that are subscribed to my channel for a long time also really deserve that shout out. But these are only the most recent subscribers. I can also show you guys my most popular subscribers. So if I just scroll all the way up again through my recent subscribers of the last couple of days, I will just click on the right top of the screen, and there it says most popular, and now it's not going to give us the most recent but the most popular subscribers, which of course is Gameplay Only, which is a guy I've been talking to. He's also making gameplay videos. A couple of different people in there. I remember having more big channels subscribe to me, but eventually these people are gone, it seems. Doesn't really matter, but it's cool to see. Like if you get a bigger channel, you for example would see the biggest gaming channels or the biggest vlog channels being subscribed to you. I think gives you a great feeling. Also, I think it is a great thing that you can see who is popular and is subscribed to you, because that person knows you. So if you're looking for a collaboration, you can also go here and communicate with that person, try to connect with that person because he knows you already. If you're happy with your content and if you're confident with what you're actually uploading, then I think the people, if they're like fit to your channel, if you like maybe upload the similar content, they're more, or the quicker they actually will collaborate with you, especially if they already know you, of course. So I was just checking out a couple of these channels, and it seems that there were channels that had millions of views on some videos. For example, this Batman and Joker conversation video of this I guess Indian guy. Of course, my friend Gameplay Only, he has a big channel. He has over 100,000 subscribers, and he also had some videos with like millions of views. And is of course most popular videos for example Hello Neighbor, Resident Evil, Planet Coaster, videos like that. Okay, now I showed you guys how to find your subscribers and how to make even a plan with your subscribers. If you go back to where your subscribers are at, it will also say only subscribers who share their subscriber publicly are shown. So you can actually set your account to private so people can't see where you are subscribed to. If you go here, it explains to you that some people will put their profile on public. If you do have more subscribers than 1,000, there could be people missing out. Also, if you got subscribers that are most likely fake, for example bots or ghosts. But hey, big shout out to everyone that is subscribed to the channel. For example, you got Nana Tasik, you got Norman, you got the Gamer Lemming, we have Makil Armado, we've got Gustavo Luz. And guys, I really appreciate all the subscriptions. This is my channel, by the way. If you haven't seen my channel yet, if you're not familiar with the content I upload game videos, tutorials, reviews, vlogs, festival videos, awesome edits, awesome stuff on the channel. If you want to see me make a video about how to get subscribers on YouTube, also make sure to do that. Comment down below if I have to do that stuff, or just click on the card above, because recently my views are getting much higher. I'm figuring out how YouTube works. Literally every day I'm working on my CEO, and it seems that my video views are literally going up every day, and my channel just keeps growing faster with the day, and I'm really happy with that. Really happy with all the support I get from you guys doing that. But of course, the most work, or all work, is on my side, and you guys share the video helps me out a lot. But there's a lot of work put into the channel, and I just noticed that the more I do YouTube, the better I know how the system works, how the algorithm works, and how I can trigger the algorithm to actually let my videos get suggested, or let my videos rank somewhere on a nice spot. For example, this video may rank on a nice spot. I do hope the video does rank on the nice spot, but you never actually 100% know what it does. I've been also checking out other channels, and it seems that you can only see your subscribers. So if you're going to another channel, you're never gonna see who is the most recent subscriber to that channel, or who's the most popular subscriber to that channel. You're not able to see that. Only the content creator itself, so the person that has the Google account at least, can see who is recently or was the most popular subscriber of that particular channel. So we're not going to look in another channel because that's not possible. Also, I've been thinking about checking out other people's channels, because I know there are a lot of smaller YouTubers that really don't get their stuff promoted, although they try really hard, they work really hard for their videos, or they're just trying to have some fun uploading videos. You can just leave your channel down below. I will check them out. I will just try to comment on the video, or give feedback, or just tell anything helpful for your channel. So just comment down below if you want me to check your video out, or like maybe a specific video, or maybe your channel in general. Or you can also just ask me a question on what to do better, on what to change on your channel. It could be very helpful. Just one thing, if I just give you guys feedback, and it could be just one thing to make your channel grow much bigger. Because if you realize, every small channel actually started with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 content. So what is it that made that specific channel really big and another channel that does the same thing really small? It basically starts with changing every single little thing. So you really need some feedback from a YouTuber that already has something done on the platform, that already knows how the platform works, how the algorithm works, because you can't change your content from like day 1 to day 2 and then be the best YouTuber, or make the best content, or get the most watch time of everyone. That is not really how it works on YouTube. Just put everyday effort in it. If you do something literally every day, is what Kwebbelkop told me, we're definitely gonna see progress in a channel. If you can do something every single day, you're gonna get better, and that's just how it works. And maybe you change one thing to the channel, one positive thing every single day, but it's still one change, and those are like 365 changes a year. So it's giving your channel a bigger chance to grow. I'm not really going in on detail in this specific video how to grow your channel, what to do specifically. Of course, you can look at the quality of your videos. You can look at trying to get the people watch for a longer amount of time, or changing thumbnails, or there's like so many things to do. It's like all around, and that's why I personally think you have to be on it every day to find your spot in the community, because you have to do thumbnails, you have to do this, you have to do that, the text, the title, you have to do so many different things, the edit. When are you gonna make time for that? Now, actually, if you focus on it every day, the content overall is gonna get better. So just keep uploading whatever you like to do, and then notice if it gets views, keep doing that stuff, or change it up, or at least make progress every day. I hope you guys did really like this video. If you did, if it was helpful, push up the like button, subscribe down below. See you guys in the video where I tell you about how to get subs and that stuff. If you want that, comment down below. See you guys. This was Cheese. Peace.